KAV Intelligent Hardware is a company that specializes in the research, development, production, sales of intelligent furniture accessories. Our main products include servo-electric double wall drawer box system, soft close undermount drawer slide, soft close ball bearing slide, soft close hinge and handle-free push-open drawer slice cabinet hinges, servo-electric tilt-up lower turn cabinet lift system, intelligent lock and door hinge, and servo-electric basket. We perform strict quality control in every procedure from material sourcing, processing and testing to packing. With their remarkable movement performance, easy installation, unique design and competitive price. The width of ball bearing slide can be 17, 20, 27, 35, 45, 53, 58, 71 and 76 millimeters. With load capacity ranging from 10 kilograms to 30, 45, 90, 110, 220, and 1000 kilograms. Widely used in the furniture, cabinet, automobile, industrial machinery and various products for cabinet door connections and sliding roller. Our company has obtained multiple patents and certificates such as SGS. Annual production capacity exceeds 60 million pieces. Our products gain wide praises from customers worldwide and exported to over 100 countries like the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, Germany, the Netherlands, Spain, Australia, New Zealand, Turkey, and Malaysia, etc., and other countries and regions all over the world. We warmly welcome you to establish cooperation and create a bright future with us together.